Welcome to Ajayastro Money Guru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. In today's video, we'll be discussing the recent trends in the prices of small cardamom and cloves. Let's dive right in. Small cardamom prices have been on a downward trend, falling for the fifth consecutive session. This decline is attributed to lackluster buying and lower export demand. Additionally, favorable weather conditions with good rains over the past 18 to 20 sessions have further supported crop development, adding to the downward pressure on prices. Currently, the average price per kilogram has decreased to a range of 2,087 rupees to 2,099, down from 2,121 rupees to 2,130 per kilogram the previous week. Despite this overall decline, the highest price per kilogram saw an increase, rising to 2,850 rupees from 2,512 rupees in the previous session. The market has also witnessed a surge in arrivals, jumping to 85,258 kilograms from 45,444 kilograms, largely due to higher arrivals in Vandan Meetu. Correspondingly, the offtake increased to 78,237 kilograms, up from 41,878 kilograms in the previous session. However, the reported offtake rate slightly dipped to 91.8%, down from 92.2%, indicating subdued buying activity. Notably, for the first time in a month, the offtake rate fell below 95% for the fifth session, underscoring the continued weak sentiment in the market. In terms of grade-specific rates, prices remained stable. For 7mm grades, prices ranged between 2,080 rupees and 2,160 rupees per kilogram. For grades 7 to 8mm, prices were between 2,280 rupees and 2,360 rupees per kilogram, and for grades 8mm and above, prices ranged from 2,480 rupees to 2,660 rupees per kilogram. Turning our attention to cloves, prices in Kottayam have remained stable over the past month. The price per kilogram for different origins is as follows. Sri Lanka cloves are priced between 900 rupees and 930 rupees, Madagascar cloves between 910 rupees and 930 rupees, and Comoros cloves between 890 rupees and 920 rupees. Domestic cloves in Kottayam are priced between 1,020 rupees and 1,040 rupees per kilogram. In Shimoga, clove prices have also been stable, ranging from 1,040 rupees to 1,060 rupees per kilogram for the past 18 to 20 sessions. Clove stems in Kottayam are priced at 130 rupees per kilogram, unchanged from the previous session. That's all for today's update on small cardamom and clove prices. As we can see, small cardamom prices are showing weak sentiment due to various factors, while clove prices remain stable across key markets. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Money Guru for more updates and in-depth analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest information. Thank you for watching.